let's do the laundry. The first step is to separate. You might separate the white clothes from the color clothes. And here's the washing machine, and we're gonna load our clothes into the washing machine. Open the lid. Okay, just throw out the clothes into the washing machine like this. And here is detergent, and we'll pour it. We pour some detergent into the washing machine. Here's a softener. We will pour it down a little bit and push it back in. So we have to turn on the power of the washing machine. Set it. I will show this just a quick one. It's 15 minutes. Press the start. Now the washing machine is done, and just unload our clothes from the washing machine. Okay, let's hang out the laundry. And here I have a clothes hanger. And here's the clothes rack where we're gonna hang our clothes here. I'll move them over there to the place that the sun can shine better.